Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, one is diving deep into the Focal Alpha 65 Evo 6.5-inch powered studio monitor, a piece of audio engineering that promises to elevate any studio setup. From the moment these monitors are unboxed, the build quality speaks volumes about Focal's commitment to professional-grade equipment. The design is sleek, robust, and clearly built to withstand the rigors of a busy studio environment. At its core, the Alpha 65 Evo is designed for critical listening, offering an incredibly accurate and transparent sound reproduction. This is paramount for mixing and mastering, where every nuance needs to be heard without coloration. The 6.5-inch woofer delivers a surprisingly tight and articulate low end, providing a solid foundation for bass-heavy tracks without ever sounding boomy or undefined. Complementing this, the high-frequency response extends impressively up to 22,000 Hz, ensuring that cymbals shimmer with natural clarity and vocals breathe with pristine detail. The overall stereo imaging is expansive, allowing for precise placement of instruments within the soundstage, which is crucial for creating professional mixes. One of the standout features is its powered nature. This means the amplifiers are built right into the monitor, eliminating the need for external power amps and simplifying setup considerably. While the listed maximum output power might seem modest at 2 watts, it's crucial to understand that Focal engineers these monitors for incredible efficiency and precise power delivery. This isn't about raw volume, but about how effectively that power is translated into accurate, uncolored sound, ensuring every detail is reproduced with clarity and dynamic range, suitable for any studio space. Connectivity is handled by professional-grade XLR inputs, ensuring a balanced and clean signal path from your audio interface or mixer. This robust connection minimizes noise and interference, which is essential for maintaining audio integrity in a studio setting. The Alpha 65 Evo is not just a speaker. It's a precision tool crafted for audio professionals and serious enthusiasts who demand uncompromising accuracy from their monitoring system. It offers a reliable and consistent sound, allowing engineers to make confident decisions during the production process. For anyone looking to upgrade their studio monitoring with a system that delivers exceptional clarity, detailed imaging, and a truly honest representation of their audio, the Focal Alpha 65 Evo stands out as a formidable contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.